Welcome to our Keto Kitchen. My name is Terry.
And I'm Eddie.
And we are coming to you live from sunny California. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for joining us. If you are catching us live, which means that there's a red box up there in the corner that says live, would you let's do something different. Put a heart in the comments and let me know that you are live. And if you do not see that red box, then that means you're catching me on the replay. And I so much appreciate you coming around. And put a number 2 down there in the replay, in the comments, if you're catching me on the replay. Whew. So, what else do we want to tell them? If you want to follow me, if you're not already following me, you can send me a friend request or touch the screen. Up here is 3 dots. It'll open up a window that will give you the opportunity to follow me. It'll also give you the opportunity to be notified whenever I come on live, like all these wonderful people who are jumping on who probably got a notification. That way you'll never miss me. And I'm always here on Monday and Thursday evening at 5:30 Pacific Standard Time. But I jump on in between too. Whenever I come up with something that's kind of keto fun, then I jump on and share it with you guys. So if you find any value in any of my tips or tricks or the recipes that I give you guys, please put value down there in the comments. That does let me know that I am on track and providing you with a service that is helping you. And I'm always open for suggestions. So if there are certain recipes or if you have any questions, feel free to drop that down there. Share me out. I do a share sweepstakes at the end of every month. So every time you share me into a recipe group, or you share me to your family or your friends, or if you know of somebody that this can be helpful for, you can also put a little @ and their name in the comment, and that will tag them in to come and watch with us. So sharing is definitely caring. It gives me the opportunity to meet new people and to reach out and just kind of share the keto lifestyle conversation. Hey, get your nose off of that. The German Shepherd is counter surfing and trying to check it out. Ed is going to go and share me out to some of our favorite recipe groups. And if you guys have any questions and if I miss them, then he'll also let me know if I'm missing anything in the comments. So thanks, guys. Hi, Vicky. Hi, Patricia. Hi, Diane. I saw a couple other ones. If you are new, if we have never met before, please put new down there in the comments, because when I'm done and we get this uploaded into Facebook, I would love to come back around and welcome you. And let me know where you're coming from. It's always fun to see how far out my lives go. So, let me know where you're watching from. All right, we're going to do something different. I have been seeing a couple recipes that have been using these flavored drops, especially for things that are not keto friendly. Which just means it is something that would spike your insulin and it would kick you out of ketosis. So I saw one the other day for cornbread, and they used these drops as a corn flavor in it, because obviously on keto you're not going to put corn in a recipe that you're going to do. So I got this little flavor pack, and so it comes with these little droppers. This is corn flavored. There's a French toast flavored. There's a maple syrup flavored and a cinnamon flavored. It was just this little pack that came with a little sample of all the different flavors. And they're super clean. There's really not much of anything in them. There's no sugar in them. There's no fat, no cholesterol, no carbs, no sugars. There's just nothing. They're just like flavored oils. So anyway, I want to try the corn one, and I do realize it is spring. We are entering into summer. I am totally out of the season for chili, but I made a batch of chili because I love chili and cornbread. And I wanted to try this cornbread recipe using these oils. So that's what we're going to make. We're going to make a batch of cornbread. So super easy. All my recipes are always quick and easy. You guys know that. I am in the kitchen, out of the kitchen. I am not a slave to keto diet. I am not a slave to keto food. I'm not a slave to a keto kitchen. So always quick and easy. All right, so all we're going to need is an egg, some very softened butter. I actually put it on the stove so that it got really soft. You do not want it clumpy. So room temperature might not be soft enough, so you'll have to decide that. If you do warm it, if you do melt it, make sure that it's cool because you are adding an egg to it. Who else is jumping on? Hi, Angie. Thanks for jumping on. If you are just jumping on, please say hi. Please let me know where you're coming from. A chili is never out of season. I agree. It's just, usually more of a winter comfort food. So if you're new, let me know that you're new. But definitely, as you guys are jumping on, say hi. Let me know where you're coming from. Let me know if you're catching me live or if you're catching me on the replay. Give me a heart if you're catching me live, and give me a number 2 if you're catching me on the replay. Okay, so butter, egg. We're going to use a little bit of sour cream or mayonnaise. You can use either one. I chose to use the sour cream. This is just going to help keep it moist. I'm going to use a liquid sugar substitute, liquid stevia, but you could definitely use something like Swerve or monk fruit. I would use the powdered version versus the granulated. I don't usually use stevia, but I'm going to use it in this one. And remember, stevia is a keto-friendly sugar, so it does not spike your insulin, so it will not throw you out of ketosis. Its only purpose, there's no nutritional value to any of the sugar alcohols, any of the erythritols. Their only job is to keep your tongue happy and make whatever you want to eat sweet. So that, and then we're going to use this corn flavored oil. My cat thinks it's time to be fed. Sorry. All right, just gonna give this a quick mix up. And then to this, we're just gonna add some almond flour. And if you have an option of almond flour, I would choose something that is pretty fine. If your almond flour does tend to be a little more coarse or clumpy, just use the back of a spoon and push it through a screener, and that'll make it nice and fine. And a little bit of baking powder. And a little bit of salt. We're going to mix that together. Guys, that's like literally it. This is just so easy. So this is your cornbread batter. I'm going to put this in a I'm going to use regular size muffins because to me, that's kind of what I like, the cornbread muffin. But you could absolutely do it in the little mini ones if you wanted to do in the mini ones. I cut this recipe in half because I did half of it already so that I could show you what they look like, and we haven't tasted them, so we're going to taste them too. So this is only going to make about 3, but the whole recipe makes 6 regular size ones or about 10 to 12 of the minis. If you guys are finding any value in them, if this is a recipe that you would like, please put value down there in the comments. Let me know that I am on target, that I am providing you value. Please share me out. Share me to any of your recipe groups because this can be anybody. This does not have to be just keto, especially low carb. Family, friends. I got this recipe out of a keto recipe group that I get almost all of my recipes out of or put my recipes into. It is a really great group. It is a private group, so we need to be friends, and I need to invite you in. If that is a group that you would like to be part of, put group down there in the comments. It is really a resource group. It's way more than just a recipe group. It's got keto, it's got menu plans, it's got food lists. So if you need help with what foods to eat on a keto diet, it's got, there's challenges. We do challenges for any kind of health benefits. There's exercise challenges. There are challenges like, what is a macro? How do you count macros? Are macros important? All kinds of stuff like that. It's a total keto resource group that supports you wherever you are in your keto lifestyle. So if you would like to be part of that group, if you're not already, make sure you send me a friend request and I will get you in that group. Put group down there in the comments so I know that's what you want. All right. These are just going to go in the oven, 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. And then they come out, voila, they come out looking like this. Isn't that just perfect? So we're going to try this because, like I said, I have not tried. You ready? You going to come try? Mm-hmm. I didn't think you would. You'd pass this up. You want butter? Mm-hmm. There you go. Guys, keep keto simple. It is my motto. Pick a protein, pick a low-carb veggie, add a couple fats, and that's all you've got, all right? Cheers. Wow.
Tastes as good as it smelled.
Can you taste the corn?
Mm-hmm.
This isn't bad. Sometimes when you do these kind of things with the almond flour, it kind of gives you too much of the almond flavor. But I think adding those drops made a big difference. This tastes really good. Cool. All right, so it's going to be chili and cornbread for dinner tonight. All right, guys, thanks for jumping on. I really appreciate all of you. Please share me out. Let me know if this was value to you. Let me know where you're coming from. Follow me, send me a friend request. I love to be friends with you guys and keep in touch. Thanks everybody for jumping on. Bye-bye.